Hi guys, easy way of cooking a lamb curry. This is a shoulder cut of lamb. It's got bones and some meat on it as well. So yeah, easiest way of doing it is just put all the lamb in a pan, and you add like salt to your taste. We put about 1 teaspoon, and then you just add all our usual stuff: onions, and then you add the cardamoms, all the garam spices, cardamom, star anise, bay leaves, and now you add about roughly 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So we put and then you add the ginger and garlic paste. We've got frozen ones mix, or you can do fresh ones if you like. It gives you extra taste if you use the fresh ones, but we just use the frozen ones. As I said, this meat is easy to cook, so you put everything before you put on the cooker to cook. So you put all the spices. So you're going to put 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi, turmeric powder, and then another teaspoon of cumin powder, and then about half teaspoon of paprika, and then you're done. And then you mix it up, and then that's it. Let it cook. Mix it up just so the meat can be massaged with all the spices. It's like a little bit of mini marinade, you know, marinating a little bit. Yeah, so put the lid on and cook for about roughly 10 to 15 minutes.
5 minutes.
After 5 minutes, you can see it's bubbling away. So all the water's coming out of the meats and stuff. So what you can do, you can just give her a quick stir. You can mix all the masalas and everything. Done. Shut the lid and leave it for about another 15 minutes. 5 minutes or so. You can add a bit of tomato puree, maybe a teaspoon. And then add about a cup of water. And then stir it together, mix it all together, and then you just have to stir and then cook until the meat is tender or it's tastes to your liking. So if it's too strong, then obviously you add more liquid to soften it up. But yeah, check about every 20 minutes or so.